Hey, it's your boy Michael de la Cruz, and if you've been wanting to earn income online, in this video, I'm going to share with you why your first sale is actually the most important one, and what is the best business model to not just make your first sale, but your second, your third, your fourth, and so on. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. In this video, I wanted to share with you why your first sale is actually the most important one. Well, let me tell you, when I started my online business back in 2013, or before I started, it was because I was looking for a way that I can take my time, I can get my time back. I was feeling drained all the time. I mean, I slept, many hours, but I was feeling drained in my day job. I would just go home and feel like a zombie, and it was affecting my relationship with my wife. And I just didn't see myself doing that my whole life. So I was looking for solutions online, and I saw that people were actually earning income online, and I saw that people were actually creating success and pretty much building their dream lifestyle. So I wanted that for myself. I wanted to redesign my life. I wanted to take control of my time, set my own hours, set my own schedule, work from the comfort of my home or from anywhere that has an internet connection, a PC. And anyway, so I just got started, a little skeptic at first, but this is why the purpose of this video, this is why, this is where this video actually comes into play. So basically, the reason why your first sale is the most important one. So when I make my first sale, I was pretty much, I started my online business. I launched it. I followed some steps, and I simply created some content that I learned from from following the steps when I started my online business. So I created some content. Went to sleep, and then I woke up, and there it was. I made my first sale. I got a sale notification. It said, "Congratulations, you made your first sale," and it was for $25. Now, I know that that might not sound like a lot of money to you, whatever, but the reason why that first sale was so important to me is because it made the whole, the process of making income online so real. Once you make that first sale, it actually gives you, it reveals this three simple word, and you can write this down. It's called proof of concept. So, when you're into this, you're looking at people earning income online, and if you haven't done it yourself and you see other people promoting and sharing the screenshots and things like that, you might be a little skeptic about it, or maybe you're like, good for them, it's not my thing. But when it happens to you, your whole perspective changes, because now you're like, wow, I got started, I followed some steps, and I got a result. And it doesn't matter the amount of money that it is that you get, the notification, it could be 50 cents that you made. It's just that the fact that you created something, you implemented some steps, some training, and you got a result from it. That right there makes the whole thing, real, because then all you got to do is just keep doing more of what you just did to get that first result. And guess what? You keep getting more and more results, right? So that's why your first sale is the most important one, because it tells your brain, your mind, it makes it real. It's actually proof. It gives you proof of concept. If you're on the brink of getting started, this actually is the reason why you want to get started, right? It's because once you get started and you start creating, following the steps and implementing the information that you're learning, and then you get a result from that, it's just gonna make it more real for you, and it's gonna help you achieve the type of goals that you want to achieve. So this is why I share, videos like this, testimonials like this, because I want you to understand that once you make that first sale for whatever amount it is gonna make it more real for you, and you're gonna get into the mindset of creating more and attracting more of that prosperity into your life. Then you might make your first dollar on your first sale, right? Your second sale might be your first $100. Your third sale might be your first $1,000 day. And then it just keeps going on and on. It's like once you make that first sale, it makes it more real, and then you just keep implementing what you just did to get that first sale, and then it's easier for you to be self-motivated. It's easier for you to explain to the, hey man, look, this thing is real. I just made my first sale and this is what I did. And then more people are gonna wanna work with you because you took your time to learn, XYZ, training, and implementing that training, and then start getting results. Okay. Now, I want to share with you. So the business model that I started in, that I feel that is like the easiest one to get started in for beginners, is something called affiliate marketing. That's actually the business model that I highly recommend, especially if you're starting out. So in affiliate marketing, in case you didn't know, is pretty much you're getting paid for recommending other people's products. So what you do, you put a company or something that you like pick a niche, right? Pick something that you're interested in promoting. It could be fitness, it could be online marketing, it could be home business. So there's different companies out there that offers affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing to me is by far the best business model, and nobody tells you the truth about affiliate marketing, but there's a lot of people on the internet with no college degrees, earning income like crazy. Some of them pretty much of any age, they're really killing it on the internet because affiliate marketing, everything is pretty much done for you. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't you don't have to deal with creating your own products. You don't have to deal with the techie stuff. So affiliate marketing by far is the best business model to get started in because it helps you pretty much eliminate the guesswork, because everything, this company they already spend millions of dollars doing research, and everything is already created for you. All you have to do is just plug into it and start promoting. That's so your whole focus is driving traffic. Traffic is simply visitors, people on the internet, looking for solutions. They will actually teach you some stuff that you can do, like create content on the internet that's gonna be on the internet forever, and then their whatever presentation they have is gonna do the telling and selling on your behalf. So you don't even have to be a salesperson. All you gotta do is just share the information with people that are already looking for that information, right? If you're gonna do it on social media like Facebook, for example, you create content on your Facebook that is about that is around the product or thing that or service that you're offering through that affiliate program, right? So let's say, for example, you are into weight loss. I always use that as an example. And let's say the product that you're promoting, that affiliate program offers people to get in shape or lose weight. Then you promote, you can go to groups and things like that, and you can share tips on weight loss, and then just have some, have the link, or ask if somebody wants to learn more about it, to message you, and you share the link with them. And guess what? If that person clicks the link and then they like the presentation, they like, they're interested in the product and they purchase, then you just made a commission. You made the first sale. So there's different strategies out there that you can do, all right, to make your first sale online. But if you want to really create income, but you use like on the fence about it, or you use a newbie, you don't have any tech or any previous experience, then affiliate marketing is the best business model to get started in, because everything is pretty much done for you. Another truth about affiliate marketing that I don't see a lot of people talk about is basically that the best products to sell or to promote in affiliate marketing are actually courses and software products, tools. If you notice, back in the gold rush, the people that made the most money were not the people that were actually going out there to find gold. The people that made the most money were the people that were actually selling the tools to go out there and find gold, to find gold. So basically, the people that sold shovels and other tools to dig up for gold were the people actually making the most money. Right. So the same thing happens in online business. In affiliate marketing, the best tools to offer are actually digital tools. It could be training, like courses that people can access digitally, because there's no wait time. Once they purchase the product, they just log into a members area and they have access to the product. This could be an ebook. This could be information, like a training, a webinar of sort, lessons, or it could be software. It could be like a website builder. It could be, there's different tools, software out there that helps people create more success or build businesses on the internet. And those are the type of products that I highly suggest you recommend, because a lot of people, it's on high demand, and people get, they can consume their product right away. So there you have it. I hope you found value in this video. I share with you why your first sale is actually the most important one, and also share with you a sneak peek on an affiliate program, which is actually affiliate marketing. To me, it's pretty much the best business model to get started in, because you're gonna get success without having to be techie, without any previous experience. All you got to do is just follow the steps and simply get started and start implementing what we teach you. And guess what? You're going to get success, because you cannot fail when so many of us have, won. We're going to have a nice community in there, which is actually one of the main things you want to need. You want to need a sense of community, a trusted community, actually, that's there to help you and uplift you and help you pretty much stay on track of you creating success. So if you never start, if you have never made a dime online and you would like to earn your first, your first sale on the internet, simply click that link below in the description to access this program that I just shared with you and get started right away. And basically, I believe this is going to be one of the best programs. I already saw the way that it pays. And this is actually the business model that I recommend anybody to start in, because it's the easiest as everything's going to be done for you. So other than that, thank you for tuning in. If you got value from this video, just let me know in the comments, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.